one queue. At the end of this module, learner will be able to add bank, RTR and financial details. Submit the application to CamQ. As we have seen application submitted from branch queue to invert queue for verification, post invert task completion, application moves to ADE queue. In ADE queue, additional data entry is done based on documents uploaded in DMS or data received from the respective systems. Once the ADE task gets completed, the application moves to CamQ. The tasks completed by branch queue and invert queue are open to the ADE officer to edit if anything is missing or wants to add additional data. Let's see ADE officer tasks on the application. Log into TCS Bank's LOS using SAP code and password. In the roles list, select the required option, that is ADE officer. If user has multiple roles, then only he will need to select. All the applications submitted to the ADE queue will move to the team queue directly. To work on any application, user needs to move the application to My Queue. Click on Move to My Queue button in Team Queue to enter further data. Go to the application, select the Applicant tab. As we have already entered personal contact in the branch queue, the ADE officer can view or modify the same. This screen enables the user to enter the bank, RTR and financial details. To start with entering the details, the ADE officer refers to the documents uploaded in branch queue and reviewed by an invert queue officer. Let's start with bank details. Select Bank Details tab. Click on Add Bank Statement. Enter IFSC code based on the check scanned and uploaded in the branch queue. Name of the bank, branch name, MICR code auto-populate after entering IFSC code. Enter the name of the account holder. Select account type from the drop-down option. Enter account number. Select the period when the account was opened from the following list based on given bank statement. Click on Add Month. Based on uploaded bank statement, add month-wise transactions. Select month and year from the calendar. Now all the transaction details of that particular month to be added in the below details. Check bank statement and enter the sum of total credit amount. Type the debit amount. Type the balance on the last day of the selected month. Type the number of checks bounced and check bounced amount. Once details entered, average of the account auto displays. Note: multiple bank statement can be added similarly by clicking on Add button. Now, the average of the months that we have added will auto-calculate and get displayed in the average of the account. Save the page. Repayment Track Record (RTR) details. RTR details captures all the information related to repayment of EMIs, overdue EMIs, delay days, etc. that enables credit officer in decision making. This screen allows the user to enter repayment track record details. For existing contract, enter contract details. All the data relating to the below fields will be auto-populated. For other financer RTR, if the customer has shared repayment track record, loan account statement of any finance company, there are two ways to add RTR. One through uploading Excel file and another by clicking on Add button. Click on Download to download Excel format. Check the loan account statement and fill in all the details as per the track record given by the customer. In the other financier RTR, if some installments are overdue and not paid by customer, we need to mention current date in receipt date. Date as mentioned in red color, leaving the amount collected blank. This will help in calculating delay days and overdue amount properly. Upload the Excel file. Based on the details entered, the customer track record status auto displays whether it is excellent or good or poor. Now, after getting the status, save the data. Click on Browse, select and upload the Excel file. You can view the data fetched with track status in the RTR page. You can click on the RTR ID hyperlink to view additional data entered in the Excel sheet. In other details, add total number of assets, number of assets financed, number of assets free, and fee to finance ratio shall be auto-calculated. Save the data. You can capture guarantor or co-borrower RTR details if any. Click on the guarantor tab or co-borrower, enter the details and save. Financial details. Now select Financial Details tab. Based on the financials, balance sheet, P&L account details given by the customer, we have to update finance details. This helps us in credit analysis, deciding the quantum of loan, number of vehicles we can finance to the customer. Select Include Financial as Yes or No. Once you click on Yes, the below screen enables the user to enter all the details. Add the details and save. Additionally, we have to add work order details, billing details, and freight or hiring charges details. Work order details. Here, we add the details of the vehicle where it got deployed. We have to track details such as work order, what type of work, how long it is valid, status of work, etc. Add all the details based on the documents given by the customer as income proof and save the data. Billing details. Based on billing details provided, we can add billing details month-wise based on the principal. Type the work order issuing authority or principal. Add description of work, total billing amount, etc. and save the data. Freight or hiring charges details. Here, we add the details of hired vehicle charges paid by the customer from whom he has taken the vehicle on hire. Type the client name and description of freight or hiring or assets. Add the month-wise billing amount. Save the data.